Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Printful with Etsy. How to do that? The first thing that I'd like you to do is to log into your Etsy seller account. Etsy seller account. And ensure your shop is set up with at least one live or draft listing. Keep this Etsy admin tab open while we work in Printful. In your Printful dashboard, go to stores. And once you go to stores, then choose your stores platform. Go ahead and select Etsy. Once you select Etsy, then it takes you here. Click connect. And once you click on connect, that's it. This will open Etsy's permissions pop-up. So click on connect to Etsy and it's going to open Etsy's permission pop-up. On Etsy, click allow access to grant Printful permission to manage your listings. Then you'll be redirected back to Printful. Connection complete. That's it. Then once you're back in Printful, in the Printful store view, just go ahead and click on my product. Once you select my product, right in the store, or just go ahead and click on store. And once you click on store, select the store, in this case the Etsy store, and when you select the store, then you'll be able to head over to product. Now once you get a product, pick from Printful's catalog. Okay, once you get a product that's in your store, select create product. Once you click on create product, pick from Printful catalog, t-shirt, mugs, tote bag, and more. Then upload your design via the design maker tool. Of course, customize mockups. Then set retail prices and profit margins. Click submit to store. Then Printful will create the ST listing automatically. Printful auto pushes shipping profiles to Etsy. If you want regional rates, example EU versus US, set up additional Etsy shipping profiles manually. Don't edit Printful's profiles directly. If you need to tweak colors or sizes, you can go to stores in the left navigation menu. Then select your product in stores. In stores, click on go to product. Then check the product that you want. And then select edit product in Printful. Adjust variants, mockups or pricing. Then sync to Etsy. So this is my store. If I want to go to my product, I just go ahead and click on my product. And in my product, and look for the product that I want to edit. And click on the edit button. Once you click on the edit button, then you will now be able to adjust variants, mockups, and pricing. And that's pretty much how it works. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom too. Get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search. So just go ahead and click on publish, the one that you've published, and click on the edit button that is right next to your published product. And you're good. Here you go.